All right, here's our first little foray into graphing an inequality. Now, I try to make this nice and easy for you. Y is greater than or equal to 3 halves x minus 2. Tell me everything you know about this.
It's a solid line.
Speak up louder so that they can hear you. The people that are out there in YouTube land. Ladies and gentlemen, the debut of Cynthia. What were you saying about this? Are you saying nothing now? LOL. I think she wanted to tell me something about the slope, right? What's the slope of this guy? It's 3 halves. What if we know the slope, then we should be able to pick off the y-intercept, which is what? 0, negative 2. We would never just say negative 2. We're not heathen. We're not. And we're not animals. We're civilized people. Now that's great enough for the line itself about how it's constructed, but is it solid or dashed?
Solid.
What tells you that it's going to be a solid line? I got the equal to component here. All right. So it will be solid, and I will shade where? I'm going to shade above. Just like we've had any time that we're graphing, we use everything that we can, piece by piece, and we check it off when we use it. So what's the first piece that I use here? Use the y-intercept as 0, negative 2. Since it's going to be solid, I know that I can put a closed point there instead of an open circle. So there's my y-intercept. That's done. Use my slope. My slope is positive, which means from left to right, my line will be doing what? Going up. So go up 3 over 2, up 3 over 2, and so on. Reverse that and get more points. Now you could even be so bold as to get the midpoint, right? Because you know that's how we like to do these things. So instead of going up 3 and over 2, go up 1.5 and over 1. Do I have to put the midpoints here? No, but you know that it helps me have something that's more accurate. I mean, look at that. It's a thing of beauty. I mean, I'm impressed with myself, just as I'm sure you guys are. So, draw your nice straight line, right? With the arrows at the end. So I've used my slope. It's a solid line. I need a shade above. Because see, here's the thing. Whenever we were graphing lines before, every point that was on the line was a solution to the original inequality, or the solution to the original equation. Since I have an inequality, it's not just the line itself, but it's a region of points. So since I say shade above, I'm talking about shading up from this guy, which is going to indicate this region over here. And here's what that means to me. That means that any point that's in this region is a solution to this original inequality. And really the easiest point to check is going to be the origin. If I check this guy right here, if I were to plug in 0 and 0, does it make it a true statement? Is 0 greater than or equal to negative 2? Yeah. Any point that I pick over here, any point at all, is going to work here. Not only will any point in this region work, but any point that's on the line itself will also be a solution to this guy. Okay? Any questions?